Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to create this trippy dreamy effect for your next music video or edit. I already have my clip scaled up right here, so if I were to reset it, it's giving us a nice 4:3, but I want to scale up our clip, so once after that, I'm going to go ahead and add our adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our CC light rays. Drag in CC light rays, and it's going to help give us a nice trippy effect. So I'm going to go here to our intensity and drag it down a bit to around 70. Go to our radius and drag it all the way up. Hit our warp, and we're going to drag it up as well to around 76 or 80. Then we're going to start messing around with our radius right here. So maybe around, drag it out a bit more. So yeah, I think right there looks nice. It starts giving us a nice hologram effect. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our noise effect. Drag it in, turn off our use color noise. And put our amount to 45 or 35. Maybe just bring it up to 40. Right there, close this out. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our next effect, which is going to be called CC Lens. And it starts giving us a nice fisheye effect. There's multiple ways to mess around with this actual CC Lens effect. So I'm going to go right here. Head to the beginning. Then just see what I can do. Right here. Go to our size. Head to the end. And we're going to kind of stabilize it a bit. So it starts giving us a warping effect. Highlight both our keyframes. Ease it. And we're going to mess with our convergence. Around right here. And once after that, I'm going to close out our CC Lens effect. Drag in our glow effect. Under here, drag in our glow effect. Go to our threshold, and we're going to bring it down to 50. And increase our radius all the way up. It starts giving us a nice dreamy effect. Maybe increase the threshold just a bit. Maybe go to 60 for a base effect. It's a bit too much. 70. Looks nice. Close this out. Then if you don't have this blue kind of effect, don't worry. You can go in and drag in this tritone effect. And you can switch your colors just like that. Go over here. Go to our lighter side of our color. You can change it to any color you want. So I'm going to stick with our blue. Make it a bit lighter. Close this out. It starts giving us this trippy, dreamy effect. But I see that it's not really noticeable where our hologram effect is happening. So I'm just going to bring up our intensity just a bit. Maybe just mess around with our warp. It's around right there. So it's more noticeable. Save our project. And yeah, that is how you create this trippy, dreamy effect for your next edit or music video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Go ahead and share the video. Keep working hard and keep on staying creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.